So we are going to be talking about the crow's nest problem. It says, be on the lookout. You are in the crow's nest of a ship serving as the advanced lookout for pirates. The crow's nest is 250 feet off the surface of the water. From your vantage point, your sight line to the horizon, you see 4 miles of linear distance. We need to find what percentage of the Earth's circumference or curved surface can you see. The radius of the Earth is 3,963.17 miles. This is the diagram we made. Sorry if it's a little small. Here is the boat and the crow's nest, and right here there's a person standing on the boat, and we know they're 250 feet up in the air. So this is 250 feet. This is the Earth. We know the radius of the Earth, which is 3,963.17 miles. To make that more convenient for us, we converted that into feet, which is 209,255,37.6 feet. And so this is also that same number of feet, and we added the 250 to that, meaning it is this side here, since we're making a triangle, is 209,257.87.6 feet. There is the 4 miles you can see right here, which is 21120 feet. We decided to find the angles by making this triangle here, over here, and solving it. The first reference angle we're using is right near where the person was. We're labeling it X. We found the opposite and adjacent. We did the inverse of tangent, which is 209,255,37.6 feet over 21120 feet, and we found that measure of angle X to be 89.9422 degrees. We chose a different reference angle next, angle Y. With using that as the reference angle, this is the opposite and this is the adjacent. We solve for the inverse of sine. 21120 feet over 209,257,87.6 feet is equal to the measure of angle Y, which is 0.0578 degrees. So now we know the angle measures of both of these angles here. If you add those two, then you get 90. We know this is a right triangle that we're dealing with, so we must have a 90-degree angle to begin with. You add these two to get 90, and this to get 90 as well, so you know that your total angle measure in the triangle is 180, so that checks. And now we need to find what percentage angle Y is of the Earth's circumference. Just like you would in any problem where you do percentages, you put 0.0578 degrees over 360, which is all the degrees in the whole Earth. And so then you find an answer here in scientific notation, which is 1.60638, repeating exponential to the negative 4th power. And if you write that out and you move the decimal, you have to move that 4 places to the left. So you have 1.60638 repeating